Welcome to this spacious contemporary home in the North Hills of Pittsburgh. This magnificent 6-year-old Colonial features an open floor plan and is in a quiet neighborhood called Franklin Fields Estates in Franklin Park. Our first stop is this beautiful open kitchen designed for culinary adventures and entertaining. Moving on, this home features 5 large bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. With more than 4,000 square feet of living space, there's room for everyone to spread out. For a tour of this beautiful luxury listing, reach out to me. I'm Robin Taylor with Coldwell Banker Realty.